Welcome back to Lux Auto X, your go-to channel for the most premium automotive reviews. Today, we're stepping into the world of unmatched luxury with the Lexus LM 300h, a vehicle designed not just for transportation, but for an experience unlike any other. With its metallic black finish, stunning design, and first-class interior, this MPV is a masterpiece in motion. Let's dive in. From the first glance, the Lexus LM 300h stands out with its signature spindle grille, sharp triple LED headlights, and aerodynamically sculpted body. This isn't just an MPV, it's a rolling statement of power, prestige, and perfection. Under the bright showroom lights, every curve and contour reflects the level of craftsmanship Lexus is known for. Step inside, and you're welcomed by an ultra-luxurious cabin. A partition wall separates the driver from the rear passengers, giving a private jet-like feel. Front and center, a massive 48-inch widescreen display turns the rear seating area into an entertainment lounge, complemented by elegant ambient lighting. Luxury isn't just about looks, it's about comfort. The Lexus LM 300h features first-class reclining seats, finished in premium leather, complete with extended footrests. Whether you're relaxing after a long flight or working on the go, this cabin delivers the ultimate VIP experience. For the audiophiles, Lexus has equipped this MPV with a Mark Levinson 23-speaker surround sound system. Whether you're enjoying a movie on the 48-inch display or immersing yourself in concert-quality sound, the LM 300h redefines entertainment on wheels. At the front, the driver gets an equally premium experience. The digital instrument cluster, infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and touchscreen climate controls provide an intuitive and seamless interface. Wireless charging and high-end materials throughout the cabin further reinforce the premium experience. Beneath its sophisticated body, the Lexus LM 300h features a 2.5L hybrid powertrain. Engineered for both efficiency and power, this hybrid system ensures whisper-quiet operation, smooth acceleration, and reduced emissions, making it both an eco-friendly and luxurious choice. On the road, the adaptive suspension system and Lexus's signature quiet ride technology ensure that every journey is nothing short of smooth and serene. Whether gliding through city streets or cruising on the highway, the LM 300h guarantees an effortless driving experience. This luxury MPV isn't just a vehicle, it's a status symbol. Whether for business executives, VIP clients, or high net worth individuals, the LM 300h is designed to cater to those who demand exclusivity, comfort, and prestige in their everyday travels. The Lexus LM 300h is a true masterpiece, blending luxury, technology, and efficiency in one elegant package. If you're looking for the pinnacle of automotive luxury, this MPV stands in a league of its own. If you enjoyed this review, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more premium car content from Lux Auto X. What are your thoughts on the Lexus LM 300h? Let us know in the comments below.